Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Turn on your S25 Ultra and unlock it. From the home screen, open the Recent Apps view by swiping up and holding or using the gesture. This starts split-screen selection. Tap the app icon at the top of a card and choose Open in Split Screen so that app anchors to one half of the display. You do this because the S25's multi-window manager requires an initial anchor. Once done, the other half becomes available for picking a second app, which you'll do next. Select the second app from Recent, the app drawer, or Home. Tap its icon and pick Open in Other Window to place it. Use drag handles between windows to resize, drag toward the larger app to prioritize it, or pull to split evenly. You can convert one window to pop-up view by tapping the app icon and choosing pop-up if you need temporary access. Make sure to enable App Pair or Edge Panel shortcuts for frequent combinations, because that saves time and creates consistent layouts for multitasking. To exit split screen, drag the divider fully to the top or bottom, or close one app from the recent view. This returns you to single app mode. To switch apps in either slot, tap the app icon and select Replace or Open Recent and drop a new app into place. This preserves layout. If apps won't split, make sure they support multi-window. Some games and paid videos block it, or disable full-screen gestures temporarily, because certain gestures interfere with the split-screen gesture recognition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.